Hey everyone, in this video, let us discuss where is Python used. Python is not just a programming language, it's everywhere around us. From websites to space missions, Python is powering the world in ways you can't even imagine. So let's explore where Python is actually used in real life. Web development. One of the usage of Python is in web development. Python is a favorite for building powerful and dynamic websites. Framework like Django, Flask help create secure, scalable applications. Another usage of Python is artificial intelligence and machine learning. Python is the heart of AI and machine learning. It powers face recognition, self driving cars, virtual assistants like Alexa and Siri, recommendation systems like Netflix. With libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, Scikit-learn, Python is leading the AI revolution. Another usage of Python is automation. If there is something repetitive, Python will do it for you. It can send emails automatically, extract data, rename files, schedule tasks. Python literally turns every boring work into smart automation. Python is widely used in the field of data science and data analysis. Today, data is power. Data is the new oil, and Python helps companies understand data. It is used for data visualization, trend analysis, business insights, and so on. Tools like Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib make Python number one choice for data scientists. Python is used in game development. Yes, Python is also in gaming. Libraries like Pygame help developers create amazing games, game tools, and even AI inside games. Python is also used in scientific research. Scientists love Python because it's powerful and easy to use. It is used in space research, biology and genetics, weather predictions, and so on. Python is also used in banking and finance systems. Python also runs the financial world. Banks and fintech companies use it for fraud detection, trading systems, risk management, financial analytics, and so on. So, where is Python used? Everywhere. Websites, artificial intelligence, automation, data, games, banking. Python is truly shaping the future. So now you know Python is not just a language, it's a superpower. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And tell me in the comment section which field do you want to use Python in. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.